The moment we stop learning, we start dying. Hello, my name is Abdul Karim Alias. In this video, I'm going to talk about a topic, lifelong learning, in the context of academia. As we know that when we join the university as an academic with our Ph.D., so we are actually the expert in our own subject matter. But does it mean that we are qualified to become a teacher? Are we qualified to teach our subject competently in the classroom in a way that the students would understand and appreciate the subject matter? Actually, when we get our PhD, yes, we are expert in our subject matter, but we are yet to be competent to teach the content in our classroom. So that's the reason why, as a new academic, as a novice academic, we need to continue to learn new things and acquire new skill, a new skill set we call it, to become competent as a teacher, as an educator, to teach our subject matter successfully in the classroom. So in this presentation, it is all about professional development. How do we develop the skills so that we can become a professional educator? And of course, ultimately, we want to become a scholar. So let's get into this topic further. We dive in further, then you will learn more from this presentation. Thank you.